In this video, you will learn about the conversion from binary to decimal system. Let us start with a simple example. I have taken here one. To do, we have to follow two steps. First step is multiply bits by 2 raised to power n starting from the least significant bit where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on, and then find the sum of products. Sum of products means we will multiply this. This is the least significant bit and this is the most significant bit. First step is to multiply the bits by 2 raised to power n starting from least significant bit. Means this is the least significant bit. We will multiply by 2 raised to power 0, then 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 3. Now we will find out this product. 1 into 2 raised to power 0, 0 into 2 raised to power 1, 0 into 2 raised to power 2, 1 into 2 raised to power 3. There will be 4 products, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then second step is to find the sum of these products. Means we can write it like this: 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. So what we have to do is we have multiplied the bits. This is the least significant bit and this is the most significant bit. Starting from the least significant bit, we have multiplied it by 2 raised to power n. For least significant bit it will be 0. Then moving to the left, this power will increase by 1. From 0 it is 1, 2 and 3. Now we will find out this sum of product. 1 into 2 raised to power 3, 1 into 2 raised to power 3, 8 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 4. It will be 4, but here is 0, so it will be 0. So no need to write this product, or you can write if you want. Now we can write it 0 directly. This is again 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0 will be 1. This will be 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. It will be 9. So we have converted the number 1001 in binary form to this number, decimal number. So it can be written like this. Let us take another example in fractional form. Let us consider 1 1.01. Now we want to convert this number into a decimal number. What will we do? This is similar to this is a simple number, so we will convert it as I have done for this number. Now we can write it starting from here. This is the least significant bit. We can write it, or we can write this like this: 0 and 1. I have written this number without this fraction. Now this is the least significant bit before this decimal point, so we will multiply it by 2 raised to power 0 as we have done it earlier, and then plus, and this one second one will be multiplied by 2 raised to power 1, and this will be multiplied 2 raised to power 2, and we will add these numbers. Next, plus, this is 0, here this power is 0, so there will be 2 raised to power minus 1, and plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2. Now calculate this sum. One into 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1, it will be 2, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0 will be 1, plus it is 0, so no need to calculate this, plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2 means it will be 2 raised to power 2. So we can write it 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 2 raised to power 2, it will be 4. Now calculate this. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 by 4. 7 plus 1 by 4 means 0.25, or we can write it like this, 7.25. So this is the decimal equivalent of this binary number. We can write it like this, 111.01, its base is 2, is equal to 7.25, its base will be 10. So this is the binary to decimal conversion for a fractional number. I hope all of you are understanding. If you are having any problem, you can ask me in the Google Classroom or in the WhatsApp directly. Thank you.